Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you friends what is the default PUBG gameplay settings you can actually play in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So this can be also applicable for the Pro Max as well friends because of using the same kind of Snapdragon 720G processor. And if you're watching first time this channel friends, subscribe to my channel and do check the links in description for the live wallpaper playlist. So if you are having any queries regarding this Redmi Note 9 Pro friends, do message me to the WhatsApp number given there. So send me the screenshot friends after subscribing to my channel. So similarly like this, you can send me the screenshot and you can ask the query what you want. So definitely I'll be trying to make a video on that friends. And I started to even write down the list as well, WhatsApp requested videos. So very soon I'll be doing those videos as well friends, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to WhatsApp me if you are having any queries regarding the Redmi Note 9 Pro, or if there is any particular test you want me to conduct, or if there is any other comparison video which you want me to do. So definitely I'm very much happy friends. And even if there is any small problem also, you can contact me in the WhatsApp. And also subscribe to my channel friends because it also helps me in growing my channel more and more. So let's get started with this PUBG gameplay friends. And right now as you can see friends, I'm using the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and let me show you the default settings what you can play. So as you can see friends, at the moment you can play with the smooth and ultra settings friends. These are maximum settings you can use, so without you even using any GFX tool. So let me be clear with that, I did not even install any GFX tool friends because this is just my second day of using this phone. So I did not even try to install any GFX application, as you can see. So nothing got installed. So just with the default settings, I just want to know what settings you can use in a PUBG. And here is the answer friends. You can just use the smooth and ultra settings, and in the balanced mode with the balanced and the ultra, and in HDR mode HD and high, and there is no HDR mode supported here friends. And with the smooth and ultra you will be able to get the 60 FPS friends while playing the PUBG game. So as you can see right now it's 52 FPS. So definitely I'll be covering that topic as well, what FPS you can play at what settings, and which will be very good settings for playing the PUBG game for long time in maintaining the good FPS meter. And subscribe to my channel friends because for the next couple of days I'll be posting plenty of videos on the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, so you can decide whether to buy this phone or not. So if you're still thinking of buying this phone and you're not sure of few comparisons, you can just ask me friends. So if you want to compare me with the Poco X2, definitely I'll be doing display comparison and Antutu benchmark and PUBG gameplay test as well. So stay tuned friends by subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video friends. That's it for this video. Until then, bye.